party spots in town.
Never knew softness, never knew tender kick, never knew never knew.
Enter the X5 and be surrounded by luxury, like the crystal knob shifter. Something as simple as a gear shift can evoke the feeling of diamonds in the palm of your hand.
First Rockford Ice Hawks.
Anderson Collision Center. Easier than ever to get in, out, and on your way. We are Anderson Automotive Group's only certified collision center, offering premium, insist on the best. Choose Anderson Collision Center on North Alpine, behind the Rock River Ford showroom.